Nicole Cunningham, creator of Puriforce Remedies. You can use my remedies with confidence as they are the cleanest and purest on the market. All of my remedies are free from benzoates, colourings, flavourings, preservatives and all other nasties. Our remedies are manufactured in a pollution-free environment here in Mount Gambier, South Australia. They're then distributed Australia-wide and overseas. Our remedies are suitable for all stages of development and health, including newborn babies through to the elderly. They even can be used by pregnant and breastfeeding women. One of the greatest advantages is that they are tasteless and odourless, which means that your children can even administer it in their cold water, juice or milk without them knowing about it. They also can be used alongside pharmaceutical medicines if required.